Hello YouTubers and welcome to this channel. So you want to know how to organize your YouTube channel. Well, you found the right video. This is going to be all about how to organize your YouTube channel. And the reason you want to do that is because of these stats. One, there are 37 million YouTube channels. That's a lot. Also, according to Omnicore, there are 73% of adults use YouTube. 77% of 15 to 25-year-olds use YouTube, and 62% of businesses use YouTube. So there's a lot of people that you want to reach, and the more organized your channel is, the easier it's going to be for people who find you to understand what it is that you do. So you want to ask two questions when you're organizing your channel. The first is, what will they see? And the second is, will they understand what my channel is all about? So you want to ask yourself these two questions and then be able to organize. Now this channel is organized into 5 playlists, okay? It's very simple. The first one is the Expert Teacher Series. That's going to be all about the nuts and bolts of learning how to be an expert teacher. The second is going to be business growth strategies, because I do a consulting for businesses in terms of how to double their revenues within a year. So if you're at $1 million in terms of a business, in terms of sales, in terms of revenue, and you want to go to $2 million, you contact me and we start to analyze where your business growth can come from. Then number 3 is my Tuesdays with Schwartz rebroadcasts. So pretty much what I do is every week on Tuesday, I go live on Instagram with all of my followers, and then I rebroadcast those videos here on YouTube. That's it. It's very simple. So I have 3 real solid, hardcore video playlists going, and so I am uploading now every single week into those playlists. Now the last 2 are where I get to do vlogs like this one. So we have the big idea, which are the big ideas that I come up with, and I come up with several every single year, like groundbreaking ideas, things that change everything. We're talking total disruptors. Yes, I have more disruptive ideas than most people will ever have in a lifetime, and I have them in 1 year. So if you're looking for a business idea, if you're looking for somebody who can disrupt your industry, contact me. Put down a comment. I will get in touch with you, and I will help you disrupt your industry. I don't know why I come up with all these ideas. I literally do not know, but I do. So if you're looking for a disruptor, someone who has the idea, get in contact with me. And then the last playlist, okay, in this channel is going to be all about behind the scenes. So what I want to be able to do with my subscribers, with my followers, is to be able to give you a glimpse into the real life of what I do. I founded an education think tank in 2013 called Education Development Institute. I founded it while I was still working as an administrator in a school. And the reason that I did that was because I was getting calls every single day and every single week for teachers, administrators, child study team members, school board members, and superintendents to come and observe the classrooms in my school, because the way we taught kids was so different than anyone else. Again, I was disrupting the education industry, and what we were doing was working when nothing else worked in public schools and charter schools and in private elite schools. So everybody wanted to know, what exactly are you doing? Because can we implement them in our school? And the fact was, yes, they could. There were several strategies, tips, and best practices that if they learned, they could implement in their public school, charter school, and elite private school. So I started to allow people to come and watch my classrooms. The problem is that my teachers and my staff were getting annoyed. They were like, okay, it was okay to have a couple people come in, but having constant observation of your classroom is highly stressful. And I agree. It was no longer appropriate to allow that many people in. So we started the education think tank, Education Development Institute, and through that I developed in-person seminars, workshops, and training courses to teach educators, superintendents, Board of Ed members about how to better teach kids for the future. And I got a lot of interest, obviously, but that was all very local. Now that we're in the pandemic and I can't do in-person anymore, I've had to go online, and that's why I am here talking to you. So hopefully you enjoyed everything in this video. Hopefully this makes perfect sense. If it does, please subscribe and hit the like button. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I want to thank you so much for watching. This is D. Scott Schwartz, signing off.